Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. Let's jump right into it. This first one features someone going from shoulder length hair to more of an undercut. I think they may be getting an undercut bob or a pixie. The hairstylist is very precise with the cutting. You can definitely tell she's taking her time and really just measuring out the layers. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Absolutely love this haircut. This undercut bob slash pixie, gorgeous. So next up we see someone with super long hair. Her hair is pretty much knee length. I have never seen hair that long before. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Now, wouldn't it be crazy if she just chopped it all off and did a pixie? Like, how insane would that be? So here the stylist is placing the hair in a braid at the bottom. So this must be the portion that she's actually going to plan on cut. So she looks as if she's going to be going to waist length. And she still has super long hair. I mean, that is a lot of hair. So moving into our next transformation, she starts off with shoulder length hair and she is getting it cut into more of a bob. Oh, she got color too. I love this transformation. So beautiful. Loving the slight waves with the color combination. Very pretty. So next we see someone with mid-length hair and they are getting it cut to about, I'd say about shoulder length. Maybe a little bit longer than shoulder length. So there the stylist is still trimming and cutting the hair. And she has this gorgeous little lob with a slight wave going. Very pretty. Alright, next up we see another haircut transformation. So she's not getting too much cut off. It looks like she's going to be getting bangs as well. The stylist is pretty much doing layers. Yeah, so she pretty much got very soft layers with this look. So next up, it looks like she's going to be getting some type of bob, or maybe she wanted it to be shorter, longer. So here he is cutting layers throughout the hair. clipping the ends down. So she pretty much got a refreshing haircut with this transformation. Just a little bit of a shape up. I thought at first she was going to be doing a bob, but I guess she wanted to keep her length. Alright, so next we are going to see some more curtain bangs. I will be doing a full video featuring bangs within the next upcoming weeks or days, depending on how soon I can get around to it. But if you are interested in seeing some of the current trends for bangs, definitely be sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the like button. And that video should be on its way very soon. So next up, we have Confessions of a Hairstylist styling some hair. So she's definitely giving us 90s vibes with this hairstyle, the flip, the bangs. And then here she is doing a ponytail. And this is pretty much a cool hack to make your ponytail appear larger than it actually is. You're going to take two ponytails and place them together in order to create a larger one. This will create more volume and just more overall length to the look of your ponytail. Absolutely love that hack. So this next one is going to feature very bright orange hair. And it looks like they are getting some bangs with this cut. This is quite a vibrant hair color. I don't think I've ever seen such bright orange hair before. Oh man, we didn't get to see the end results. I hate when that happens. So next up, we are going to see some color being added. I believe they are getting highlights. So here he is pulling the foil out and adding in more blonde. And he's adding in more color. Smoothing out the hair. Oh wow, I absolutely love this blonde. I love it against her complexion too. It's so unexpected, very pretty. Gorgeous color. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.